birthday. Okay.
Total.
Hello po. Kumusta kayo amin? How's everyone? It's a busy day for us here in Aussie. Ang laki ng mukha ko. My face is this person. That is the houses.
This area
6
slowly-
units.
This area, by the way, is a good potential. Even though it's Noble Park.
Yeah.
Oh, I think this is not Noble Park. This is Springville. You can see both sides, right, left, all sold already. All going up and selling, getting sold. Getting developed.
That's right.
Yeah, a lot of new houses.
You remember that a few years ago? We went here.
You came here with the guy, the Mercedes. Further up, he wanted us to go. Yeah,
We came for inspection.
yeah. See, all new houses coming in. So all the old houses will be gone.
That's right. Look at that. Oh, it's just 6 units also. 6 units. Townhouse.
Yeah, this is how it is.
So this is Nobel Park. They call Nobel Park.
Oh, twist is gone. This is
We
our
almost
cup.
there.
In 300 meters at the roundabout, continue straight to stay on Carlton Road.
My face is a little bit spasm. Oh, that house is beautiful.
Then you can north of those. Oh, wow.
Oberon. Shut up. Oh, that's our house. We are here.
This is step 1.
Your destination is on the left.
Number 10 after that. That is the one. So this is stay here.
There one.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah. Because the Filipino is staying here. Filipino family. Okay, so Ito yung isang bahay namin pinapaupahan na may mini swimming pool sa likod. This place is not developed.
On the way, I noticed a lot of development
Yes.
start going now here.
No, I mean, on this street, on this street,
Which one?
on this street, Daddy.
Oh yeah,
I can see two-story here.
yeah.
Pinapasok kami ng aming tenant sa loob dahil malamig daw dito sa labas. It's too cold actually. 6 or 7 degrees dito sa Dandenong. Kasi hilly side dito. Hilly side. Ayan. Posik still inside the car. Giniginaw daw siyang lumabas. Spasm din ako. Ayan. So, ito yung bahay na pinabukan namin isa. Malaki po ito. Pahaba lang siya. Dito sa Australia. Especially here in Melbourne. Masarap ang buhay dito basta masipag ka. Marunong ka magtipid. Pwede ka gumastos. Extra lang na because you need also to how do you call this? Treat yourself. You need to pampers also yourself. Kaya ako, basta nakatabak ako ng mall, okay, nakapamper na ako. We bought this house maybe 10 or 12 years ago. Itong bahay na to. And we are not planning to sell kasi yung location ay maganda. At yung aming tenant, it's been years already they are staying here. They are the second tenant. They have been here for a long time. At mabait naman sila. Hi! How are you? Yeah, we'll just wait for our real estate agent. Thank you. Yeah. Ayun. Yun yung aming tenant. So, magkakatalan na ako sa ayan, may inspection kami ngayon dito sa bahay namin na may mini swimming pool kasi bahay na ito kaya sabi ng real estate agent kailangan naman natin area bossing kung ano ang dapat gagawin. Kung ano ang dapat gawin. So, ito yung bahay na to. Yan yung bahay na yan. Parang simple lang siya sa labas. Pero pagdating sa likod, maganda siya. Mayroon mini swimming pool. Ayan. Lamig, grabe ang lamig. Sa tutulaan, ang lamig. Ito. Ayan. Nasa loob si Bossy.
Is because there was the rocket that was falling down. So that's his job when he we'll cover, yeah, because of course, like why not?
Swimming pool. Okay na.
Turn left onto Gladstone Road.
So nice, the hill.
This is not good. I always.
Okay. I'm with my bossing. I'm going to have my lunch at the Angus restaurant. We are waiting for their opening. Magbubukas na sila. At the dumplings, Angie's dumplings. Masarap ang pagkain kasi dito. Yan, ano pa yan? Ang aking mukha. Hanggat hindi pa tapos yung aking treatment, hindi pa ako pwede mag-diet daw. Pero I have to be careful with my foods intake. Lalo-lalo yung mga sodium. Yan. Ito yung inaantay kong favorite kong restaurant dito sa Southland. I'm going to have my lunch with Bossing here. Kararating lang.
So you don't want any other drinks? Okay.
Ito ang buhay namin dito sa Western world. Walang mahirap at mayaman, lahat naging hila ng basurahan. Bawat isa. Ganito ang buhay dito. Walang donya-donya. Mabuti na lang pumayag si Bossing na